Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to list product on eBay using ChatGPT step by step. I will be using product from Walmart only for demonstration purpose so you understand the listing structure and optimization process. First of all, I have already selected randomly product from Walmart. I am not promoting Walmart here. I am only using this product to explain how to collect product information. On this page, I will see the product name, the brand name, size or quantity, pricing, and product images. This information help me to understand what details buyer care about. Before listing anything, I always check the demand. I go to eBay and search the product name and turn on sold listing. Here I check how often products sell, the selling price range, competition. The steps tells me whether the product is worth listing or not. After product research, I open ChatGPT. I paste Walmart product link directly into the ChatGPT and ask it to analyze the product. ChatGPT helped me summarize key feature, suggest me keyword, rewrite content in a clean and original way. I never copy Walmart text directly. ChatGPT helped me avoid duplication and mistakes. After the product analyzation, I paste my eBay listing prompt into the ChatGPT. After that, I paste the Walmart product link below. ChatGPT then analyze the product and create an SEO based optimize eBay title and unique description. I never copy paste directly from Walmart. Everything is written in a clean buyer friendly way for eBay. After a quick review, I paste it into my eBay listing and publish. The exact prompt is pinned in the comment. After getting title and description, come back to eBay seller account, click on sell, go to it will automatically come to listing page, create listing, and copy the title, search title here, find a match. I want to create new listing, continue without match, continue. Firstly, they are asking for the images. Go to Walmart product page, select image, copy image link, come to Firefox browser, search that link, take a screenshot and download. Come back, upload from computer. After that, they are asking for the title and custom label SKU. Here I put SKU. After that, they are asking item category, required, additional, multiple things. I just copy this all and paste it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will fulfill this. I will double check and paste it to the eBay listing page. UPC does not apply. Roast, dark, flavor, unflavored. Food specification, no artificial ingredients, allergen, none, calorie, zero, fresh stock, minimum 12 plus month shelf life, and MPIN does not apply. Number of serving size 1 cup, United States, item weight 36 Aussie, style espresso style coffee, calorie per serving 0. So this is filled. Write SEO base buyer convincing description. So here is a new title and description. I am using this right now. You can use previous one which we have written. And now the pricing section. Right now I am entering the price 24.90. This video is just for teaching purpose. You can do study on pricing strategies, then enter the price you want. And after that, the shipping policy, I usually ship in 15 days. So I selected this. You can create your own policy. Means you want to ship within a week, within a day. It's up to you. You can create new policy, policy, edit cost for listing. And here is your item location. You can edit this location. If you have multiple warehouses, you can edit your location here. After that, promote your listing, general, priority. So without promoting, I want to list this. Without wasting time, just click on list it. Your listing is now live. So check this now. This is the listing we have done right now. That's my eBay listing process using ChatGPT. The prompt is pinned below. Subscribe, follow, and comment for more videos. Thank you.